the gameplay. So let me scroll down my screen and we will start writing down the continuation part of our snake game. So we will apply the while loop here, because means while the condition is happening, means while this is done, then something is going to happen. Okay, means the condition, until the condition is fulfilled, some action is going to happen, that's going to happen. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will update my window all with like all the time, until the condition is there. So I will give wn update, then I will put the if conditional statement, if head dot x score, means x coordinate. Actually here I will apply, like as you all know that your display area is like coordinates belongs from 290 to minus 290. Okay, so that's what I'm doing for x and y. So if your x score is greater than 290, or head x score is greater than minus 290, so we will do like both conditions over here. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste this part over here, that x score is sorry, less than minus 290, means when this is happens, or means any condition when we are applying, or it's like any one of this is true, then something is going to happen. Then the same thing I will do for y also. So I will simply take this command, I'll copy this code and I will paste over here. Then instead of x, we will make it y, and this is 290, that's fine, and this will be also y. So this is my final condition for the if conditional statement, and I will put the condition over here like this. After that, I will give the time. So I will take time sleep, because I make the time, so 1 second time it will take. Okay, and then I will take the head part, go to, so basically I want that my head part will start from some position, so I'm just giving it a position. Then head direction I'm giving, so I'm giving head dot direction, and this direction will be like stop, I'm just taking it as a stop. Then the next part is colors, so the colors will be like random dot choice I'm writing, and like I will take a round bracket, I'm sorry, I will take the round bracket, then square, and of course you know that I will take different colors. So I'm taking red color, then I will take like blue color, then I'll come out and I will take green color. Like this way I'll select the colors, okay, red, blue, green, and then I will take the selection of shapes. So I'm taking shapes equals to random dot choice, because of course we want that random shape. So I will take random dot choice, round bracket, then this, then I will take square, and after square I will take circle. Okay, so this is done. Now after this, what I will do is I will take the for loop. So I will take for segments. Okay, so for segment in segments, okay, what I will do is that segment dot go to, this will be 1000 and this will be 1000. Actually the snake segment parts, right, like when every time it's going to be very much, like it's increasing when it's taking the food, it will increase in size. So that's what we are doing here. So here I'm taking segments dot clear, and now I will make a score system. So score equals to 0 right now, delay equals to 0.1, then pen dot clear, then we will write pen dot write, and this will be, S will be capital for score, score, then score, then come out, then colon, and then we will put this, and then we will put high score, high score, and then we will put this, then we will put this, and this should close, this should close like this. Okay, so this should be come above. First of all, this score will completely, like this is a complete string like this, so I will close this complete string over here. Okay, this is done. Now dot format. So this is your format. Now here I will make the format like score high underscore score, and okay, this is here. And after going here, like when you're taking score, then high score, I will put comma over here. And let me check what was my variable above. So let me check my variable name above. It's high score only. Okay, it's high score only, and it's in small. Let me check here. Okay, it's height. It's high, H-I-G-H, high. Okay, that's why it was showing me the error. So it's high score, it's like that. Then you will give align. Align equals to center. Then I will come out of this, and after this I'm giving font, and font I will give like this, the same font I use before. So it's 24, it's bold, and I think it's done. And this one should also close like this, and let me check what's wrong here. So it's 24, the font will be 24, and it's bold. Okay, so let me check. This should be 24, and this should be bold. Okay, that was full stop. That's why it's coming like that. After doing this, we will put another if conditional statement. Like this is a font size we put. Now we will take another if conditional statement over here. So like first, if I put over here in the same line, you will put if here. Okay, so the if will come over here in this line. See, this is while, this is if, and this is the same line where you should put another if. This should be important. If you will not follow this, your code will give you the bug. Okay, so indentation, because in Python indentation is very important. So now I will take a distance. So if distance equals to food should be 20, and I'll make it like this. So x equals to random dot ran int. Actually, I'm taking the integer, random integer. Okay, so that's what we are defining the value. So I'm just putting here. Like I want to movement, like I want to do the movement of my food, right? So on x-axis and y-axis randomly. So that's what I'm doing the same. And this x is fine. Now for the y, of course, the movement will also be same. So I'm just coming over here, and instead of x, I will take it as y, and this time I will move it like this. Okay. Now next is I will come over here and I will take food dot go to, and this will be x y. So this will be food x y. Now I will add the segments. Means how to add the segments in the Python, means how do we add them. So first of all, we will take new segment. Okay, new underscore segment equals to total dot total. Okay, I just create a segment like this. Then after this new segment dot speed, we will take the new segment dot speed. So I'm just taking new segment. I just copy this because I don't want to write it again and again. So I can write new segment dot speed. This will be 0. Then again, I will paste new segment dot shape. This will be the square shape. And then again, I will take new segment dot color, and this will be orange color. And like any color you can take. This orange color, I'm just taking it as a tail color. Okay, you can take any color, so it's not very important to do that. Then again, I'm taking new segment dot pen up, because I just want to pen up now. And append, append we used to add at in the same segment, the something we are going to add at the end. So we want to add the tails to the snake, so that's what I'm doing. Like segments dot append, and this should be, of course, our new segment. Okay, so yeah, now the next part is we will take the delay part. Delay will minus equals to 0.001. Okay, and then score will plus, means what, it will plus by 10. Okay, so that's the plus equals to 10, it means plus by 10. Now I will take again the if conditional statement. If score is greater than high score, score is greater than high score, I'll just take this. And what will be the condition here is that high score will equal to score. This will be the condition. Then when you come to the next part, then it will take pen dot clear, means everything will be clear over here. And then I will take pen dot write. So this will be like you will write the same score format, everything. So I will write from here. Pen dot write, ting tong ting. Exactly this we are going to write. So I'll copy this line here and paste it over here, because I don't want to write it again and again. So I'm just taking this, like pen dot write, score high score format, and score high score, alignment to center, and this is right. Now the next part is I will take the for loop. So I will take for, and here I will take index in range. So for index in range, then you will take len, then you will take segments, and this should be -1, 0, -1, and this is closed. And here I will take this one. Okay, so like I'm putting the for loop over here. So of course here the same thing we will do, that we will put the x segment index over here. So I'm just taking x equals to head dot x score, and this will close like this. Then the same thing I will do with the y also. So I'm just copy the code and paste it over here for y, and this should be proper segmentation indentation. So this should be the y code only. Then I will take segments 0 and dot go to x y. So this will be dot go to x y, and here I will just come out to the if like go to x and y, and then we will put the if conditional statement over here. So segment, okay, I miss one important part over here. This will not come over here. I'll just take it out. So here it will come like the segment part of the x and y. So I will take x equal to segments. We are just calling the index this time, because see, our snake length is increasing now. It's storing inside the list. If you learn about list in Python initially, now this list I'm calling it by index. Accordingly, I'm just taking index -1 and then dot x score. Then next I am taking y equals to segments, then index -1 dot y core, and the next one is segments index dot go to xy. And now I will put the if conditional statement, if segments if length of the segments. So we have to find the complete length of the segments. So if length segments will be greater than 0, then I'll paste the command that we did already. And here I will call my function that is move. Okay, because it has to move. It should move actually. And I think the same thing we will do like the for loop for this, like something is going to happen, then what will happen? So I'll just take the for loop after calling the move. I'm just taking the for loop in this same lane. So I'm just taking for segment in segments, like we wrote it above already. So for segments in segments, we will take if segment dot distance will be head will greater than 20. Means if the distance is kind of this, then what's going to happen? So I will take time dot sleep, that will be 1, head dot go to, that will be 0, 0, and head dot direction stop. It should be direction. And then we'll go to colors equals to random dot choice. Same here, the same color I'm giving red, then come out blue, then come out green, and so on. And the shapes one also, like here we did the shapes part, so we can take that also. I don't find it over here. I think I gave it already. Acha, okay, no problem. Chalo, I will do that. Then head colors is done. Okay, and shapes part is also that we have to do. So I'm just taking shapes, random dot choice, then it should be square. It's random dot choice. Okay, so it should be square and circle. So I'm just taking circle. That's it. So after doing this, we will take the for loop in same lane. Okay, so I'm just taking, okay, this for loop should be inside this, inside the if conditional statement even. Just wait. And you press here. Okay, so here I will take for segment. Actually, I'm creating the loop inside the loop. For segment equals to segment dot go to 1000 and then 1000, same part we are doing. Okay, and after that segment dot clear, then score equals to 0, then score, then delay is 0.1, the same part, delay equals to 0.1, and this should be delay just like that. And we will do pen dot clear. So this pen dot clear part we will take from here only. The same part it is like that. So I'll take it like here. We'll come over here and it's like that. And after this, it's taking the time, sleep time, and I will make it as delay. And this is almost done. So here you will write wn dot main loop, and we are calling it, and this is done, everyone. So now I'm going to play it and let's see what our game is and how we can play that. Okay, so let me run this game and let's see what will happen. First I touch this and let me check the keys that I put is here. The keys are WSAD. Okay, let me touch this and this is W. Oh my god, no, 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 no. W, S, A, and D. Okay, S is going down, D is coming here, S is going down. So this is my shape and C. Okay, I got 20 score. And ooh, okay, okay, okay. Wow, my snake is going longer and see the score is also changing. That's amazing. So everyone, this game will take time. As you can see that it touches a tails or the wall, it will come back to its position, and it's telling us the score and the high score. And it takes time, but it is very interesting to make. So let's create it, everyone. And I hope you enjoy this series. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.